Subscribe to HMTMCSE and click to bell icon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Node.js environment preparation. This is today's tutorial topic from HMTMCSE.com. This is Tawhid again from HMTMCSE.com. Let's begin. For start that Node.js environment preparation tutorial, we will follow our HMTMCSE.com instruction, that is Node.js environment preparation. Here we are seeing that first thing we have to download the Node.js from the nodejs.org. Here you are seeing the Node.js download panel. There is two tabs, the LTS long time support and current function, current tab. This will basically for the current development which is ongoing. So every time we have to use that LTS because we are creating software for long time. That's why I'm selecting the LTS version and I am going to click on 64-bit MSI version because I am using Windows. You can choose another version, that is macOS installer, PKG, Linux binaries, ARM, and lots more. So you choose your version from your desired operating system. Okay, clicking on this 64-bit, it started download. I am just canceling this download because I already downloaded this node.js binary. Here this is node.js binary. For that I am following this instruction step by step. Now we are going to double click on the setup file. Let me double click on here. It started installation. Clicking on next, then accept the terms in the license agreement. Clicking on next, then this is the default installation location. I'm not changing it. Clicking on next. We can change various setup thing, but we're not changing anything here. I'm just clicking on next. Okay, here one thing is important, that is if we want to install automatically necessary tools like Chocolatey, then it will we can check this checkbox. I am checking because I want to install others tool as well. Clicking on next. Okay, it asking me to install. Yes, started install. This is the Windows verification. Yes, I'm agree. Then the installation started. It validating installation and a copying file. Let's see how long it will take. Probably it will not take much time. The installation process is completed. Now I'm clicking on finish. It asking this window because we tick mark the automatic install necessary tool. I am just pressing on any key here from my keyboard. I already pressed any key. Probably it doing something. It asks the Windows PowerShell permission. I'm clicking yes. It doing something with the PowerShell. Let's see what happening here. It trying to install Chocolatey. The process will take little bit time, I hope. Yes. Okay, doing various things, installing Python there. It will download the Python 3.95. The installation is going on and doing some processing. it almost going to finish. Installing BC Credit, Visual Studio Microsoft. It installing some extension, I hope. At last finish the additional things. It take lots of time. If you guys try to install that automatic install necessary tools, then you have to take a little bit more time. So it automatically closed after completed. Now let's check the node version from the command prompt. Okay, for that I'm opening my CMD and typing the command node, then minus version. Okay, all right, it saying that it has version 14.17.1. let's see the npm node package management version. Npm minus version, yeah, it shows 6.14.13. This way we can easily prepare our environment for node.js. Node.js used for various JavaScript programming such as React.js, AngularJS, and server-side programming like Express and etc. That's all about Node.js environment preparation.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.